What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python. In this video we are going to look at Python's pstats module. So statistics browser for analyzing Python performance data is the Python pstats module. So what exactly is pstats? It's a part of Python's standard library that analyzes profile data collected by cProfile and profile modules. These key features of this pstat model include the performance analysis, selective profiling, and data visualization. It does this by sorting function called statistics by metrics like cumulative time, call count, and time per call. It also does a data visualization by converting profile data into readable formats to identify performance bottlenecks. Another way of selective profiling is to select filter statistics also based on function names or modules to focus on specific code sections. So here's a basic usage code right here, of which you can just try to write out in your VS Code, try and implement it out in your VS Code to see and understand how the system actually works in terms of Python's pstats model. Okay, so it helps identify bottlenecks, optimize code execution, and make data-driven decisions when we're factoring for better performance. That's it for this video. Let's move to the next. Let us know how it went in the comment section.